So you'll be wanting to learn Python for data science or whatever purpose you would need it, and you've not been able to find where to learn, probably because of financial constraints or whatever. Good news for you is on Coursera, you can actually learn that for free. Right here, right now, you're seeing. Now, if you don't have the Coursera app, you can go download it from Google Play Store. And if you're using a PC, you can use BlueStacks or you can just use the website. So on Coursera, this is a Python course, a full well-detailed Python course. Let me walk you through it. You can see enroll for free. That's a free course. Try for free. Enroll to start your 7-day full access free trial, right? For 7 days, you have a free trial perfectly to at least gain the foundation and learn a whole lot from the background, right? So you enroll for free. And you can see it has 5 modules, beginner level. So you don't need to be afraid. Even if you know nothing at all about Python, it's taking you from scratch, like from crash level, right? Flexibility, one week, 7 days, and that's 10 hours a week. So you just have to be able to dedicate your time to learn, right? 10 hours a week and go on. You can see what you would learn. Number 1, you will learn to develop a foundational understanding of Python programming by learning basic syntax, data types, expression variables, and all the stuff. And many, many more things you would learn. Skills you would gain along the line: Jupyter, data collection, data processing, scripting, application programming interface, data manipulation, and so many more, right? And that's it. So you'll be wanting to learn Python. This is an opportunity for you. I'm going to drop the link to this course in the description of this video below. So you're just going to click on it and register for free. All right. If you love what you just watched, you were to like, comment, and subscribe for more. Bye.